At ngayong umaga, kasama nga natin si Miss Rodora Taktakan Tumpalan or si Miss Doyi, isang businesswoman at motivational speaker. Welcome! And nice to see you again,
Yes,
Miss
Pia,
Doyi.
after 7 years.
Oo nga.
Oo, last time you interviewed me was 7 years ago.
Oo nga. At iba naman ang title ng programa namin.
Yes.
Noon. 40 is the,
The
new
new
30.
30, yes. Because I was 47 then.
Kasi naman si Miss Doyi, di ba? Fabulous!
Thank you.
Diba? Kamusta ka naman, Miss Doyi, all these years?
I always say great. Kaya we always greet each other sa aking kumpanya na great morning.
Great morning.
Yes.
From the time that I interviewed you, mas lalo bang nag-expand ang iyong products, ang iyong business?
Oo.
Wow!
Yes.
Eh, ito na nga, a lot of Filipinos kasi medyo ilang sila na mag-start ng sarili nilang negosyo. Bakit nga ba, Miss Doyi? Parang a lot of them talagang ang kanilang orientation is graduate at maghanap ng trabaho.
Tama naman yun. Kasi yun talaga yung palaging mindset ng maraming Pinoy, maraming Pilipino. Pero number one is, kaya siguro maraming takot ay dahil yung paniniwala sa sarili. Yung belief. Because there's power in believing in yourself. Kasi kapag hindi ka naniniwala na kaya mo mag-succeed, syempre, lahat ng gagawin mo, takot ka. Now, palagi ko nasasabi, there's no perfect timing. Walang perfect timing, only perfect mindset.
Okay.
And there's no perfect person, only perfect attitude. So, lahat tayo
may kakayanan.
at pwedeng mag-succeed sa anumang papasukan natin na negosyo. Basta alam natin at gusto natin na talagang mag-succeed. Kasi doon magpa-follow yung ating willpower. And strength. Strength is yung physical na kayanin natin, anumang obstacles. But willpower is yung mindset natin, yung ating paniniwala na gagawin natin ng lahat para mag-succeed.
Oo, I think it stems also from a fear of failure. Kasi pag failure sa isang job or with an employer, parang the risks are lower. Kaysa yung itinaya mo yung sarili mong pera, tapos nalugi ang negosyo. Parang feeling nila, hindi na sila makaka-recover because this is all their savings.
Oo, tama yun. Kasi lahat ng tao parang takot mag-fail. Pero para sa akin, dapat it's in life, you are either win or you learn. Pagka sa negosyo, hindi naman perfect yan na kapag first time ka nagnegosyo, you hit it big right away. Hindi naman pwede yun. Talagang it takes time and effort and a lot of sacrifice on your part.
So, losing or ang hindi pagkita ng negosyo is part of it.
Yes,
because you don't call it nga losing, you call it learning.
Yes, of
so,
course.
ano may papayo mo, Miss Doyi? Halimbawa, para sa pangangapital, how much is enough para naman hindi sila tuluyang malimos?
Malugmo. Okay. Para sa akin, Pia, walang malaki o maliit na puhunan. Kasi depende kung ano yung gusto mong gawin.
Okay.
Yun ang payo ko. Pero syempre, sa mga nagsimula, saan ka komportable na halaga na mailalabas mo, yun siguro yung barometer kung para sabihin natin na okay lang, na kung hindi man mag-succeed ay
hindi ka naman walang-wala.
Hindi naman walang-wala. Okay. So, parang medyo subjective siya. So, kung ano yung gusto mong pasukin. Pero para sa akin, number one is, dapat mahal mo, Mahal mo yung gagawin mo. Okay. Kasi pag mahal mo isang bagay, willing ka to sacrifice. Kasi sabi ko nga sa isang negosyo, talagang hindi guaranteed na talaga you'll hit it big because there is risk in anything that we do. Because it's business at
so,
the end of
kailangan
the day.
magtira sila ng something.
Of course.
For themselves.
Oo, palagi naman. Kahit naman sa relationship, di ba?
You can't give it all. Magtitira ka para sa sarili mo. Pero ikaw kasi, you came from a family that was doing business already sa Marikina. You were in the shoe manufacturing business. Pero iba talaga yung tinahak mo pang negosyo. Bakit humiwalay ka pa?
Actually, related limited pa rin siya nung simula because I started 22 years ago with First Quadrant na ang binebenta namin ay Filipino-made products, especially yung sapatos because during that time, my advocacy was to revive the shoe industry.
Correct.
And yung naisip ko, the only way to do it is, and to do it fast. Kasi nga, medyo malaki na yung nakakain na market ng China-made products versus yung Marikina-made products. So, little by little, at para sa akin, wala nang panahon para kumbaga, dapat mabilis. Ang naisip ko was a model na multi-level marketing. Oo, na para kung saan ay maraming tao magtutulungan para mag-promote ng gawang Marikina at yun yung naging model ko. At nag-succeed naman talaga ako doon. Kaya related din siya sa shoes because it was an advocacy to begin with. Oo. Kasi dala yun ng kagustuhan ko na ma-revive at ma-resuscitate yung industry ng sapatusan sa Marikina.
So explain mo sa mga kada natin itong multi-level marketing.
Yes.
Na kung minsan ay kapag naririnig ng iba, mas natatakot at mas nagiging apprehensive kasi marami na rin ng naloko dito in the past.
Naiintindihan ko talaga kung saan nanggagaling yung iba kapag narinig nila ay palaging may stigma. 22 years ago when I started the business, talaga namang grabe yung blood, sweat, and tears talaga ang puhunan dito, Miss Pia, kasi talagang maraming mas takot kesa mas bilib. Understandably, because marami talagang naloko during that time. Oo. Tapos, yung word na pyramiding, naka-associate siya with that. So kaya, alam mo, Miss Pia, yung struggle ko was not when I was about to start, no. When I was already into it.
Okay.
Doon talaga yung maraming challenges and sacrifices on my part because I really have to explain to a lot of people and prove to them that for me, this is one of the most equitable business model there is. Ibig sabihin na...
Kasi minomobilize mo ang mga ibang tao na magbenta with you.
Correct. And hindi ito, wala siyang, kumbaga, para sa lahat eh. Kung ikaw man, whatever your age is, basta 18 years old and above sana, no? Kasi dapat naiintindihan mo kung ano pinapasok mo. Gender is not an issue. Age.
Pwede magbenta, ibig sabihin. Lahat ng tao pwede magbenta.
Correct. Or educational attainment is never an issue.
Okay.
Ang First Vita Plus kasi is both health and health and wealth yung ina-address namin. Pagka kasi nagtayo ka ng isang negosyo, dapat meron kang sinusolusyonan.
Correct.
That's the best product to sell. Yung meron kang solusyon, may need solusyon ka sa problema.
You're solving a need.
Problem, yes, and a need.
Magkano ba ang kita?
Yes.
Sa mga multi-level businesses na ganito?
Yung model kasi namin, meron siyang 15,000 pesos a day nakita up to 75,000 pesos a week, 300,000 a month. This is a group effort, Miss Pia.
Of course.
Kasi naniniwala ako na you can never do it alone. Kaya nga network, it is a network. It's a group of people na nagtatrabaho for a common cause para, actually, yung common cause is para guminhawa ang buhay ng maraming tao. So, yes, mga kada, palagi ko sinasabi, you don't have to be great to get started, but you have to start to be great. Kaya, kung ano man yung iniisip mo na gawin, start na, gawin mo na. Kasi sabi ko nga, there's no perfect time but a perfect mindset. There's no perfect person but a perfect attitude. So, kung gusto mo na magnegosyo, gusto mong mabago buhay mo, gusto mong yumaman, go for it. Ngayon na.